Happy birthday po sa aking mahal na kapatid, si Tito Bernard. Tito Nad, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Palagi ka sanang healthy. At God bless you and your lovely family.
To you.
Maraming salamat
Happy
sa
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Papa Bernard. Ito po yung handa ng aking kapatid ngayong kanyang birthday. Ito po, handa po ng aking kapatid, mahal na kapatid, na si Papa Bernard. Ayan. Yan po, may pinakbet.
Okay, chicken.